Look, ayy, ain't gon' catch the bitch, get on my nerves. Just got a block, almost hit the curb. Most niggas been sitting on me right now, see me in person and won't say a word. I think.
Alright, good morning YouTube. We back and we finna go ahead get ready and we finna go ahead and try to fix this. So, you know, it's first thing in the morning. Have to use this to stop it from rolling. And we finna go up under there and see what's going on. Like I said, I think it was just tire threads to light. I think I just need to put the axle back in, because I remember when I put it in, it still looked like it was kind of out a little bit. And I think when I was spinning last night and I tapped the brake, I think it kind of caused enough tension to go ahead and push it up out there. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this jack and we're gonna do a few things real quick. Let's see how we fix it. It's all part of the game, man. Can't be mad at nobody. Alright, y'all, so I got everything apart, and just to show y'all what's going on, let me go ahead. I can start the car one more time for y'all. I'm trying to figure this out. Of course, so start the car. Put the car in drive. I'm finna take this out of drive. I'm finna go ahead and undo everything to see if the spline's messed up in the on the axle. Because if the spline's not messed up, then I'm just gonna fix it. I'm just gonna put the splines back in, and then I'll just worry about it later. Like, I'll get another axle later, but if I can push it in today, we're gonna look. If not, then I guess we'll be going to the junkyard to try to find another axle. So let me go ahead, drop this diff again, take the fluid out, the 3 bolts, and then I'll let y'all know what happened after that. I said it looked like it just popped out.
Well, you gotta take the back end out. You gotta take it
Nah, really, I ain't really finna to. I'm finna push this side in as far as I can, and then I'm gonna lift this one up and try to put this one back in all the way.
Don't you gotta take that back end off?
This one?
No, I'm talking about that plate on the back.
This?
Yeah.
Nah, because what I'm looking for is, you see like these right here?
Yeah.
These match up to like a gear that's in the inside, right, that's connected inside the diff. And I was just trying to make sure that when I was doing those donuts last night, that these wasn't
Hey, look, let me turn it. You need to look at it. Look at it. You can't look at it all the way around. I'm gonna try to turn this so you can look all the way around. Still ain't turning. Why this ain't turning?
Huh?
Oh, you got the, it's got the,
then I think I got the e-brake on.
Yeah, that's why they ain't gonna turn.
But, I mean,
you want you to look on the other side, make sure it ain't no wrong with the other side, too.
Nah, I know ain't no wrong with this side.
I'm talking about on the back side of this CV axle. Make sure the grooves is right on the back side up, but you're looking at the front.
I mean, there ain't no grooves on the back side, it's just like a shaft.
I'm talking right there at the very end.
This?
Yeah. Check the rail on the other side. Take your hand, yeah.
Now, what I'm saying is, if this side straight, then the whole thing straight, because it's spinning. So if it chew one side up, it's gonna chew this whole thing. You know? Yeah, I could just get another boot for that.
Yeah, it's going. You gonna take more time to get you.
All right, y'all. So as y'all see, this axle popped out just a little bit. This axle popped out, but it look alright though. It don't look like it got hit up or nothing. And then if you check the ones in there, I'll show y'all those look good too. So we just finna pull these this up, and then we're gonna try to put this back in. Alright y'all. Y'all finna hate me. Y'all finna hate me, no cap, but I just gotta let y'all know we did some AJ type shit again, you know what I'm saying? We did some AJ type shit, you know what I'm saying? And I think we got it, gang. I'm finna show y'all first. I'm finna show y'all what's going on. I'm gonna show y'all what I think the problem is, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I fix it. It ain't the best way, but I'm finna just go ahead and show y'all what's going on. So let me turn the camera around. I'm finna show y'all what I just did, what I thought of. Alright y'all, so you can kind of see it right there where the threads at. It looked like that C-clip is right above the top of the about right here. You see that the threads is actually above the threads. The C-clip is above the threads, so I think that's what actually clips this into the right here. So what I'm gonna do is you take the highest point of this and run it over the groove, and then you just grind all the way down until you fall off. Let me see if I can find the other piece. Can't find it, but here you go, right here. I ain't even really have to go all the way to the ground, all the way with it. See, I just take it, you made this cut right here, and it came off, and it slid the axle right in, so I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. So hopefully I don't have to worry about these axles coming out, at least for the next couple months or so, because apparently I'm gonna have to take this axle back out and do it again anyway. So yeah, oil everywhere, but I just wanted to show y'all that. Let me go ahead and grab my tripod so I can set y'all up, and then I'm gonna show y'all how we did this. So real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what to do. Like I said, you find the highest point. Maybe I can twist this a little. You found the highest point. I found it. Yep. The highest point is right here. And all I'm gonna do is take this one little line right here and just cut all the way down with it. I got a diamond bit tool from Harbor Freight. Let me show you. Got the little diamond bit from Harbor Freight. And yeah, you can, speed really don't matter as long as you got control of it. Then all I do is get y'all back right. Whoa. Move it around, cause once you go down far enough, it'll then you just pop this out. Can y'all see that? Let me make sure y'all get a good angle. Just pull this out. Boom. See, pop this little clip out right there. Alright. Then we gonna slide that back in. Let me drop this a little bit first. YouTube, so as y'all just saw, we got everything back together, we got everything working, and that's the main thing. So you know, we had to take the rear end out again, had to cut the C-clips up out of it so I could slide the axles all the way in. And as y'all saw, we still good at donuts. So to me, that's a W. I don't care how I had to do it. I did it though. So like I said, sometimes that's why y'all follow me, because sometimes we do stuff that ain't nobody else never did before. So you already know, we're gonna catch y'all in the next one. I told y'all, we finna go global this year, man. I'm tired of, you know what I'm saying? You get tired of being in the same spot over and over. You know what I'm saying? So thank y'all for watching, liking, subscribing. And we gonna see y'all in the next one. Cause the next time y'all see me, I might be going crazy or some no cap.
the bitch get